Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on LinkedIn without opening their profile. So the first step you need to do is to open LinkedIn. So once you open LinkedIn, you need to click on your profile picture and click on settings. So once you are in your settings, click on visibility. Okay, so once you are here in the visibility section, click on edit your public profile and here you can see your profile public visibility, so you simply need to turn off. Okay, so now no one will be able to see your profile if you visit someone profile. Okay, then you need to go back and here I want to block this, so click on that and let me find a profile that I can easily, so this one for example, click here and now you simply need to report or block. So once you done that, that person will not be notified about that you visit his or her profile and block it. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.